down on the Shenandoah River, getting ready to get on these. You see the rafts here, just kind of float around a little bit. Have a lot here that is rented for the summer, so we're just enjoying it as a family. You see the lovely wife behind me and all the beautiful surroundings that are here with us today. Let's get in the water. Let's go get this.
I got jello shots too. Oh my goodness. I got the stuff. Dad, do you need a refill?
I do.
Face plant or you want Modelo?
Yes, please, face plant.
Two. Should have gotten 3 face plants.
Having a great day out here today. So am I. It's an awesome day.